Have you ever stayed awake at night replaying a simple conversation, dissecting every word, every pause, and every facial expression, wondering if you said or did the wrong thing? Overthinking may seem harmless at first, but in relationships, it can become a quiet storm that erodes trust, creates distance, and leaves both partners feeling misunderstood. How does this silent saboteur infiltrate even the strongest bonds? And more importantly, how can you stop it? Overthinking is a silent destroyer in relationships, a quiet yet insidious force that causes chaos beneath the surface. It can manifest in countless forms, from endlessly analyzing words and actions, to replaying past arguments in your mind, or imagining every possible future scenario. This mental maze, while often invisible to others, erodes trust, fuels doubts, and creates an emotional chasm that is hard to bridge. But what is overthinking, and why does it have such a profound impact on relationships? Many people may think that overthinking is just a temporary phase or a part of being a deep thinker. However, the reality is that overthinking can lead to serious consequences, including miscommunication, emotional disconnect, and even the disintegration of the bond between partners. This article explores how overthinking affects relationships, dispels some common myths, and provides insight into why we overthink, what it looks like, and how we can manage it. Let's understand what is overthinking. Overthinking refers to the process of continuously analyzing situations, conversations, or emotions in an attempt to make sense of them or predict future outcomes. However, it becomes problematic when this thinking spirals out of control and leads to excessive worry, doubt, or confusion. In relationships, overthinking often involves replaying past conversations, obsessing over small details, and imagining worst-case scenarios, all of which can cloud judgment and lead to misunderstandings. At its core, overthinking is a cycle. One thought triggers another, and the mind goes into a loop. It's not merely thinking too much, it's thinking in a way that undermines rationality, distorts reality, and causes emotional distress. Why do we overthink? Understanding the causes. Overthinking doesn't occur in a vacuum. It stems from a variety of internal and external factors that interact with our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Here are 5 common causes of overthinking, particularly in relationships. Fear of rejection or abandonment. One of the most profound fears in relationships is the fear of being abandoned. If you've been hurt before or have experienced emotional betrayal in past relationships, this fear can trigger excessive analysis of every little action or word your partner says. Past trauma or insecurity. Overthinking often emerges from unresolved emotional baggage. If you've faced betrayal, neglect, or have low self-esteem, those past wounds can manifest as constant doubts or concerns in current relationships. You might perceive harmless gestures as signs of danger or interpret neutral behavior as neglect or emotional distance. Lack of communication. When you're not openly communicating your needs, feelings, or fears, it's easy to fill in the blanks with negative assumptions. Overthinking flourishes in environments where both partners are not transparent with each other, allowing doubts to fester and causing emotional disconnect. Need for control. Some people overthink because they feel the need to control every aspect of their lives, including their relationships. When things feel uncertain, they try to predict or micromanage every outcome, believing that if they can anticipate what will happen, they can avoid emotional pain. External stressors and anxiety. External stress, whether from work, financial pressures, or family issues, can spill over into your relationship, causing you to overthink interactions with your partner. The anxiety and mental clutter from other areas of your life make it difficult to see your relationship clearly, and your mind may latch onto small details in an attempt to relieve the emotional tension. Now let's understand symptoms of overthinking. Overthinking is not always easy to recognize, especially when it becomes a habitual way of thinking. However, there are some common signs that you may be caught in a cycle of overthinking, particularly in relationships. Constant replaying of conversations or events. If you find yourself replaying every conversation, text, or interaction with your partner, analyzing it for hidden meanings or clues, you may be overthinking. This could lead to obsession over minor details or things that weren't even said explicitly. Difficulty making decisions. Overthinking can make it hard to make simple decisions because you feel paralyzed by the possibility of making the wrong choice. In relationships, this could mean obsessing over decisions like what to do for a date, whether you're being too clingy, or whether you should express your feelings. Emotional volatility. Overthinkers often experience emotional roller coasters. One moment you're feeling secure in the relationship, and the next, you're filled with doubt or anxiety. These fluctuations often come from a constant internal dialogue that creates tension and confusion. Assuming the worst. If your thoughts consistently veer toward catastrophic outcomes, examples, assuming your partner is going to leave, or they're upset with you without any clear evidence, you may be overthinking. This assumption of the worst case scenario often leads to unnecessary conflict. Avoiding communication due to fear of making it worse. Instead of bringing up your concerns or fears, overthinkers often avoid confrontation because they're afraid of making things worse. They might think that addressing an issue will lead to an argument or end the relationship, even though doing so could actually help resolve the situation. Before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. More strategies to manage overthinking in relationships. Overthinking can be a pervasive issue in relationships, often stemming from insecurities, past experiences, or a desire to control outcomes. While it may seem harmless at first, overthinking can gradually erode trust and emotional intimacy. When left unchecked, it creates doubts, miscommunications, and unnecessary conflicts. Instead of fostering understanding, overthinking often amplifies small issues, turning them into significant problems that strain the connection between partners. Emotional exhaustion, isolation, and stagnation often follow, leaving relationships in a state of disrepair. Recognizing these patterns is the first step in addressing their impact and ensuring that overthinking does not overshadow the positive aspects of a relationship. One powerful strategy to counter overthinking is shifting the focus to the positive aspects of the relationship. Dwelling on fears and perceived shortcomings often magnifies negativity, but consciously celebrating the joys and values of the partnership fosters gratitude and optimism. By embracing mindfulness and self-awareness, individuals can train themselves to remain present, reducing the inclination to ruminate over hypothetical scenarios or past misunderstandings. Open and honest communication further complements this process, creating a safe space for partners to share concerns without fear of judgment. These practices strengthen emotional bonds and reduce the mental space occupied by unnecessary worries. Addressing overthinking also involves challenging negative thought patterns and reframing them in a constructive light. Questioning the validity of assumptions and focusing on solutions rather than problems helps individuals regain clarity and prevent minor concerns from spiraling into larger conflicts. Professional support, such as therapy or counseling, can be instrumental in uncovering the root causes of overthinking and providing tailored strategies to manage it. Couples therapy, in particular, can enhance communication, address recurring misunderstandings, and provide an unbiased perspective that helps break unhealthy cycles. These approaches enable partners to rebuild trust and create a stronger foundation for their relationship. Cultivating self-compassion plays a vital role in overcoming overthinking. Accepting imperfections in oneself and the relationship fosters a forgiving attitude that reduces the pressure to overanalyze every interaction. Self-compassion promotes emotional resilience and helps individuals view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than sources of guilt or fear. Similarly, focusing on shared goals and values allows partners to align their perspectives, shifting attention away from trivial issues and toward the bigger picture of their relationship's purpose. These practices create a sense of unity, reminding partners of their shared journey and reinforcing the bond they have built. Finally, maintaining individuality within a relationship can mitigate overthinking. Pursuing hobbies, interests, and friendships outside of the partnership helps individuals create a balanced life that is not overly dependent on their partner for emotional fulfillment. This independence not only enriches the relationship with fresh energy and perspectives but also provides a healthy outlet for stress and anxiety. By addressing overthinking with mindfulness, communication, and proactive strategies, couples can foster deeper trust, connection, and emotional resilience, ensuring a healthier and more fulfilling relationship dynamic.